Explore the essentials of beard grooming with our Ultimate Beard Kits. Transform your look and boost your confidence with products designed to tackle itchiness, dandruff, and uneven growth. Our kits include everything you need: nourishing shampoo, conditioner, moisturizing oil, styling balm, and a precision comb. Regular use promotes healthier, thicker growth and soft, manageable beards. Experience the difference yourself and see why our customers love their transformations. Elevate your grooming game with Glow Genius today.